In a previous episode, we needed to add in some cornice that we can no longer buy, so I created this 3D printed piece to fit this gap and look somewhat like this.
So let's do that.
Yeah.
So I've got to bring this one up to there and that one in line.
I created this piece borrowing design elements from the original, but adding little surprise elements that the keen-eyed might one day notice. The ear stands for EDENHOPE Artist Residency, obviously, and the crosses are little pencils. After a few attempts at getting the right fit, we finally did it. Using a bit of the old Yoo-hoo glue.
Yoo-hoo! Using enough to do the job, G.
I know. Yeah, it goes pretty quick.
Tell me about it. It goes pretty quick.
So the screws are just to hold it in place while it dries.
While the glue sets.
Yeah. Doesn't want to go in. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's going to be good. Nice one.
Then we can just repair that later.
Yeah. Looks good.
Finished product will go. This one's not as good as the other one.
I think it's a better fit though.
Oh, that's nothing. That's the fit is.
Oh.
And in line there. Okay.
Looking good.
Holes.
Alright, groovy.
Groovy, man.
That looks good. Righto.
Now the next design feature is whether you want a full height doorway or a 2040.
Full height would look quite good.
So there's no header above it.
No, but only if you can do it.
I know, it's whatever the client.
Oh, stop it.
I don't have any wishes on that.
Just do what is.
As long as I know what's going on, that's all that worries
It's looking good though. I'm going to film you again. So we're putting in a partition wall in the two halves of the studio because we need to separate the rooms out to make heating and cooling a little bit easier. So there'll be a split system in both halves of the studio. But this wall is actually going to be made out of clear polycarbonate laser light, if you will, so that it is still completely see-through.